Hey, hey, yeah, madama, ko whaki mai ni me he, ko lava te ki presentation o taunga we, tau mana wa tapu, ko hange ko lau o ku nai ave tala noa I he kale he, pia, ko ia, ko o kai mea ko fie wahe atu kia mōtoro, he? Koe wahe atu koe ni, koe wahe atu experience koe whahinga tau kei, oku mau be I he process, he? Pia, it's something that I know, but I do practice it more in terms of a hono tala noa I koe ni koe, o taunga aue manawa tapu, I he kere kehe pe koe other platforms, ko uhinga aku ia I he ngahi organization, he? Pia, you know, koe hanga tala noa te mea koe ni, ko wahe loto, I'm confident, he? I hono wahe ato mo mōtoro because I am excited. It's something that in the mind that is oku hasino pe oku whai kakano I pe embody ia I he tala noa, he? I hono tala noa I koe ni koe o e taunga oe. Koe moila e ngā ue koe ngā ue koe e manawa tapu is ta koe konga e mea ko hono built. Ko hono built ko hono built koe. You know, when we talk about changing your mindset, o koe e for a process ai. Ki hono change koe ho mindset, o ka pau o kuke fie mau aho o star, pe ko ho fetuu hopo koe na gau tala noa ki ai. He? O ku iai ai me aku ke fie mau ke hoko, aku ke fie mo ui ka ba aku ke puke, o ke fie mau ke liliu ho to onga mo ui, aku ke fie mau ke tuu maari, aku ke fie mau ke mau hanga o lelei, aku ke fie mau ke change your lifestyle. So that's your start. That's what you want to be achieved. That's what you want to accomplish. Hey? But in order to achieve that, you have to change your mindset. Kono inga when you change your mindset, oku change ye ngai belief system, he mo ngai pattern oku ne kei hange koe o hold you be oku ne kei hange koe o hai koe I fo I tūkonga mo ui koe na beko fo I lifestyle koe na koe oku kei. Part of it is it's building when you get that, you know, you get confidence in yourself. It's really about that. And confident in yourself, it's knowing who you are as a person. So when you know who you are as a person, oku kakeke toe pehe atu e koe ha. He? You just go for it. You just go for it. He? You just go for it. He? Oku ke kapa oku ke fie moi kapa oku ke puke. Kapa oku ke puke. Even if you puke ihe kansa, and you have this drive because you know yourself, and I'm gonna go for it. I'm taking risks, and I am doing it because I want to live. I want to live for my whānau, I want to live for my wife, I want to live for my husband, I want to live for my children, I want to walk. E ko whanga moko puna I he taim ko nau, ka nau ka mariha. I want to live. And if you want to live, you have to change your mindset. You have to change the dynamic of how you are and where you are at this point of your life. I'm sharing this because that's what happened today when I no alo tala noa I poko present ko umana watapu. He? You know, oku I'll tell you this. When you have you ever to an interview, and then before the interview you propose them in, you do the reverse. He oku ke propose eko I me akanau dol. He? Okay, that's what ko me na fai au. I propose him. Na talang e au kanau dol. This is, you give me before I present. What are you gonna give me? I need to get something out of this in order for me to present. He? I mana watapu. Kono ngā ko ilo na ngā we. Pea ko ilo ko ia. Ko ilo tuu whanua ia na whatu me ai. That's who I am. That's, I am protecting the knowledge that I have. Because mana watapu is not just my work. Na whatu ia me he mea whakatonga. Pea na whatu ia me he ako. Me he whekumi na e whai. So the mana watapu, it's not an individual brain or model that I use. Yes, o whakafo ia te ao. But guys, this is, this is come from us. A collective mind or collective self. That's who we are. We collective. Iyo. Ko ki wahe ha tu ia. And I am so happy. Ke wahe ka moto. Boom. Iyo. Ko we ni ta. Ko ofat ka moto le.